apple down. Ooh, you better not spoil it with Charlie. Mary is a lady looking for a little love. No need to buy a bed of roses, 'cause Mary wouldn't give a damn. So come on, little Charlie, show us how to make it right. You gotta write a song for Mary and take her out into the night. Ooh, you better not spoil it, Charlie. Better not spoil it, Charlie. Charlie is a cool cat who really likes to hang around. You know his heart belongs to Mary, no matter if he's up or down. Ooh, you better not spoil it with Charlie. Ooh, you better not spoil it with Charlie.